Tozan isaruka sendoda lesugogo Bathini Mbatha. Ingane zakwethu siqala iseries entsha ukuphahla umbuzo ukuthi gogo yini ukuphahla? Gogo yini mehluko phakathi kokuphahla nokuphehla noma nokuthetha idlozi? Ingane zakwethu akufani. Ukuphahla kungenziwa abantu abaningi ukudlula uma kuthiwa umuntu uthetha idlozi. Ukuphahla usuke ukhuluma nabantu abakini abangene kuwena ngqo. Usuke uphahlela abantu abakuwena ngqo, ababhekane nawe, abafuna into ethize kuwena. So ngane kwethu ukuphahla ilokho. On these 5 next series episodes sizoba sijula ngisimo sokuphahla. Ngane zakwethu awuvuke ekseni uyophahla. Awuvuke ekseni ngoba une stress into eyenzakele bese uthi ake ngiyobheka manje na ukuthi abantu ake ngiyophahla abantu nabadala. No. You prepare for ukuphahla. You prepare for ukuphahla. Uma uyothetha idlozi, you can wake up at any day, you'll thetha izidlozi, ukhahlele izithebe, ukhahlele udengezi, la kushisela khona impepho, wenza yonke into oyithandayo. Kodwa when it comes to ukuphahla, you prepare. That is the difference. Ukuthetha idlozi, you can do it at any time. Ngovuka ngo-12 ebusuku, whenever uyakwazi ukuhamba uyothetha idlozi. Ulithethise, ulikhulumise, ulincenge, ulicele and everything. But when it comes to ukuphahla, you prepare for ukuphahla. So, first episode esinayo namhlanje ukuthi ukuphahla mazophahla, you prepare. Uba prepared. You need to be prepared to ukuphahla. Ukuyothetha idlozi is something else. So ngane zakwethu asikwazi umehluko phakathi kokuphahla nokuthetha idlozi. Ukuphahla, you need to be prepared. You need to know ukuthi what is it that you're going to say? What is it that you're going to ask for? What is it that you're going to question? Ziningi izinto that involves that, or rather goes around ukuphahla. Nokuthi uphahlela ini, kuphi, nini, kungani. Ijulile lento yokuphahla. Any explanation yokuphahla ukuthi besides ukuthi you need to be prepared, ukuphahla you need to know the purpose of what you're going to say. What is the purpose of you ukuthi uyophahla? Ukuphahla is communication. Ukuthetha idlozi is talking. Because when you're talking, you are telling that person, this is what. I'm not happy here. You're talking to idlozi. But ukuphahla, you are communicating. You are telling the side of your story. You are expecting the response to come back. It won't come back immediately. It can take an hour, a day, a week, a month, a year. But that is communication between you and idlozi osukuluphahlela. So the difference between ukuphahla nokuthetha idlozi is that ukuthetha idlozi, you are telling idlozi what you like or what you don't like. Ukuphahla, you are communicating to idlozi ukuthi what is your desire. Injongo yakho ikuphi? You know, what is your wish? Yini intshisakelo yakho in what you're going to do. There's a huge difference. Mawuphahla uyazotha, awuphahli ngolaka, uthetha ngolaka, mawuthetha idlozi. Mawutshena idlozi uyalitshela direct, uyalitshela makhosi amakhulu namhlanje sizumsebenzi na ingane yenu sizoyibika, ingane yenu umemulo noma lokhuzana umkhehlo noma yini. You just tell it as it is. But mawuphahla, you need answers. You need to know why. How did it happen? Why did it happen? How so? You go deeper in terms of ukuphahla. Ganza kwethi sandlalela the first episode, the difference between ukuphahla nokuthetha idlozi. Gogo Bathini Mbatha 0835339183 0835339183 0835339183. Ngitholakala empangeni ngane zakwethu. For the abuse of many people to me, I've decided not to explain anything over the phone, only the directions. So meaning you'll travel from Cape Town or from Lamborghini to me to ask a question. You did it yourself. You've abused my kindness. Gogo Bathini Mbatha. Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thokozani.